Hey everyone! Welcome to Magic Miles. Today, we are taking you to an amazing fair in Düsseldorf. Our car parking was a little far, so we had to walk across the bridge. Even from a distance, the lights are sparkling and the rides are visible. It looks like we're in for an incredible experience. As soon as we crossed the bridge and entered the fair, the first thing that caught our attention was the bright lights. Everywhere we looked, there were people laughing, kids playing, and the sound of rides. There are rides for little kids and thrilling rides for adults. Now, let's head to the adventure zone. Here you can find every type of ride, high-speed roller coasters, giant wheels, and fun rides for everyone. For thrill seekers, this place is a dream. For a relaxed pace, safe rides are also available. Check this out. This is the real fun of the fair. Now let's talk about the tastiest part, the food stalls. Here you can find churros, sausages, pretzels, and candy floss. The aroma of warm snacks combined with the sweet treats makes the fair experience even more enjoyable. As the evening set in, the fair became even more beautiful. Everywhere we looked, neon lights were glowing, music filled the air, and people were enjoying themselves. atmosphere was simply magical. And now, the moment everyone was waiting for, the spectacular drone show and fireworks. Hundreds of drones created amazing patterns in the sky, shapes and messages, followed by colorful fireworks that made the night unforgettable. Honestly, this was not just a fair. It was an entire experience perfect for all age groups. Friends, that was our journey at the Düsseldorf Fair. How did you like it? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Magic Miles. We'll see you in the next vlog with another exciting adventure. Until then, drive safe and enjoy life.